I grew up in Shelby, Ohio, which is a small town in north central Ohio. I actually didn't want to go to Case. I wanted to go to the University of Michigan and study architecture. My father wanted me to go to Case and become an engineer, and that's what I ended up doing. He was quite forceful. What I really loved about Case was the flexibility that it provided. By the end of my first semester, I realized that I was never going to be an engineer, but I had been introduced to calculus, which I thought was beautiful. Got very interested in continuing on in applied math and those kinds of fields. When I graduated in '64, I went on to process control and control theory and stayed in the systems research center doing control theory and stability theory. So I was very happy at Case because it allowed me to follow what I really enjoy. In 1982, I left Exxon. I'd been the operations research coordinator there, and started Chesapeake Decision Sciences, which was a private company developing software in the supply chain area, planning and scheduling, with a client base of mostly large companies like DuPont and Amoco. Well, I sold the company in '98, retired, went sailing for a number of years. A few years ago, two of the guys who used to work for me came to me with an idea for developing the same kind of supply chain software, but doing it up in the cloud on a modern platform. I got involved again in a software startup. I went through Case on a partial scholarship, and I feel that I should pay it back. And if you take a look at the $10,000 I received as an undergraduate, at 6%, 2% inflation, that's $300,000 today. So I don't think I'm quite there yet, but I'm working on it. There's a great saying in Spanish, it's dale el golpe avisa. It means go for it. The impact will let you know how you're doing. And I think that's what students, that's what I would tell them to do. If you've got an idea to develop, go do it. Find out later if it works. This award is another link back to my alma mater, which I enjoy. So I enjoy going back, seeing what's going on in the research areas, seeing what's going on in the think tank, and talking to some of the professors there that I still know.